Today's unboxing is going to be something simple and easy to look at. This is just a cheap set of eBay headers. So it ain't going to be nothing special, too special with this unboxing. So let's go ahead and open it. That's the part number to them. And they a set of block huggers because I'm doing this C30 build. And I can't find a set of pipes. This is my fourth set of headers. And can't find a set that fits it. One either smacks the PTO or the other side smacks the 5-cylinder. If I had an external 5-cylinder, probably wouldn't be no problem. And if I didn't have the PTO. But I got both. So shorties would probably work if I didn't have the 5-cylinder. And they don't. So I'm going to try these block huggers. And I can't find any information of anybody using a set of these on the C10. Or a square body Chevy with a LS. So I picked them up and figured, you know what? I'm going to buy these and see if they work. If they don't, use them on something else. Now you can get these $85 to $100 without the V-band clamps, 140 some with V-band style clamps. These guys right here. I prefer these. Take up less room, don't have that big square. They just clamp together. Now these are packaged just in the box, but it's in great condition. Let's unwrap the header and see what we think. The welds of the header on the outside of the flange is extremely good. It's not all the way around. On a high quality welder, they usually weld everything, but these are just on the outside to keep it from flexing. It does got those welds. On the inside, it's been MIG'd. You can tell right here if you look. You can see those welds inside all the way around. Very good. Let's take a look in here all together. This has been TIG'd, by the way, you can tell. On the inside, it's welded solid, pretty nice. Looks pretty good. Let's check the other one out. The V-band clamp, you can tell I just cut it and just TIG'd it on. This is the other header. It's welded the same way. The flange is nice and thick, so it shouldn't be no warpage going on here. Inside also is welded up extremely good. I would say these won't have no leak issues. The welds are extremely burned in, extremely nice. You can see inside here. You can see the welds inside here. Looks good too. As I said before, this is a V-band style header. Those the clamps to them. They go together. Easy to take off. Easy to put on. No donut gasket, anything. I prefer this style. If you buy a regular set, you can buy these aftermarket, just the flanges, and weld them to your pipes. Also comes with some header gaskets and brand new header bolts. So these is about 140 some bucks is what these costed. Not really expensive. You can get them cheaper, but the 140 bucks was the V-band style. And they just LS, universal LS block hugger headers. You just type out in eBay, they pop up. A lot of the companies selling them under different names. They all look the same. If you want the V-band set, just put V-band in the search and they should pop up. By the time you buy these V-bands for two, it's about 20 some bucks, and then you weld them on. It's cheaper to just go ahead and buy them already put together. If you want the V-bands. If not, just buy you an $80 to $100 set of block huggers. Now, I will be trying these on the C30 very soon. And hopefully you stick around if you're new and get subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss that video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks again.